I'm Adam Richman, Global Food Explorer. I've come all the way from the USA to taste the very best of Britain.
Cheese, oh, I love that.
Some of the world's most famous foods share their name with the place in Britain where they were created.
Oh my God, is that good?
So I'm using the map as my menu.
If I'm in Eton, I have to try Eton Mess.
Eating my way around the country, place by delicious place.
Eat the Earl of Sandwich in Sandwich. Real Aberdeen Angus in Aberdeen.
I'll be exploring all the areas nearby to find out what other awesome meats are on offer. Beautiful. I'm here, and I'm hungry.
Adam Richman Eats Britain. New series February 6 on Flavour Network. Stream on STACKTV and the Global TV app.